My name is John Albert, and I'm the General Manager for 𝘁𝗵𝗲 USA. 𝘁𝗵𝗲 is a company that's provided technology for grading and sorting of fresh produce for over 35 years now. The company is headquartered in the Netherlands, and it's been focused on that aspect of fresh produce since the very beginning. We also have 𝘁𝗵𝗲𝘆 in Italy, which is really focused more on what we call the larger fruits and vegetables that we deal with, and then 𝘁𝗵𝗲𝘆, equivalent organization in Spain that focuses on the smaller fruit. For example, blueberries, cherries, cherry tomatoes. 𝘁𝗵𝗲 USA is an organization that we established in 2014. It was in response to rapid growth that we were experiencing for 𝘁𝗵𝗲 in the North American continent. And it was all focused really on providing the service and support that we wanted to deliver to our customers after post-sale. And additionally, offer a sales organization, spare parts, technicians, technical support that you need in order to make sure that you're optimizing the use of the 𝘁𝗵𝗲 technology itself. We've gone from basically 0 customers to over 100. They all require our type of technology, meaning 𝘁𝗵𝗲's grading technology, but they also have some unique characteristics and differences that we really have to pay attention to, both from a grading perspective as well as mechanical handling. The value that we deliver and that 𝘁𝗵𝗲 USA delivers really begins with the sales process. There is an element of customization for each and every customer. And that process really begins with us learning about our customers and understanding what their requirements are, what their specific packing regimens are, what their volume requirements are. All these things that come in that matter in terms of designing and ultimately building and delivering a solution that meets their needs. Most recently, we've moved into AI, and we offer our true AI solution that complements our traditional grading in a very powerful way. It becomes much simpler for the operator in terms of the skill set that they need to have to utilize the system. And we continue to enhance what we've already provided solutions for, as well as look for other opportunities with new solutions. I sit here after 10 years with the company and having started 𝘁𝗵𝗲 USA and worked through all the different projects, now upwards of 100 deliveries that I mentioned before, and we've never been late. None of the systems come to us without having been fully tested, meaning the systems are built and installed within the factory, run and tested. The large majority of surprises are gone. And those things that you typically would think about within a large install like this, you might have to worry about happening on site. If they're going to happen, they've happened in the factory. So the predictability we have in terms of timelines is really enhanced by the way we take care of that process in the factory. We've got 9 technicians that are capable to be on site or remotely support our customers to ensure that they're getting the most out of that system, whether it has to do with throughput, grading accuracy, packing. The majority of our focus is on helping our customers succeed from an optimization perspective, meaning what can they do with the technology, the grading technology specifically. Being able to use our system quickly and easily to react to market demands is crucial. From the very beginning, and certainly from the time that we set up 𝘁𝗵𝗲 USA, was built on the premise that we take care of our customers, they're going to take care of us. And we won't leave until that system is fully operational and that they're capable of doing what needs to be done in order to get their product graded, sorted, and packed.